This moisture meter feels solid in the hand and uses sharp stainless steel pins to give dependable readings in both wood and common building materials like drywall and concrete. The backlit digital display with large digits is easy to read in dim basements or crawl spaces, so you can quickly see moisture levels without squinting or guessing. Simple high, medium, and low moisture indicators, along with audible alerts, make it straightforward for non-professionals to spot problem areas before mold or structural damage sets in. The included protective cap that doubles as a quick calibration checker, plus the spare pins and battery, make it ready for real job site use right out of the box. Its broad measuring range for both lumber and masonry makes it a practical choice for woodworking, home inspections, and checking subfloors before installing new flooring. Automatic power shutoff and compact, one-hand-friendly design help conserve battery life and make it easy to carry around during long inspection days.